Sustainable, strong, socially significant. These three words best sum up the existence of the Daund Sugar Private Limited. Located at Aligaon, 8 kilometers from Daund, on Daund Sugar Road. Established in 2009, the Daund Sugar Private Limited has played a key role in making life simpler and consequently sweeter for everyone involved. From the farmers to the villagers to the workers and staff, as well as the community at large, the DSPL has involved each of its stakeholders in its quest for global excellence along with local progress. From day one of its existence, the factory has committed itself to modernization and regular improvisation of standards. State-of-the-art automatic machinery from ISGEC has taken the sugar crushing capacity from 3,500 metric tons per day to 6,000 tons. In order to ensure optimal crushing of sugar, the mill uses GRPF and decanter system. Electricity is generated at the rate of 18 megawatts per hour. To that end, steam is generated from automatic boilers with a capacity of 100 TPH. While most of the electricity is used to run the factory, the remnant is supplied to the Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited. The DSPL motto is simple: maximizing resources to optimize returns. To that end, the 45 KLPD distillery project, set up and expanded to 90 KLPD by the Praj company, manufactures refined spirit, extra neutral alcohol and fuel-grade ethanol. To achieve zero liquid discharge, incineration boilers were used for the first time ever in Maharashtra. This goes a long way in reducing pollution and raising environmental support. The consistent use of steam-saving machinery has reduced the usage of steam by 34%. Another ambitious project is the PP bag project that makes up to 50,000 bags a day to store the sugar. Utmost hygiene prevails even as the bags are numerically organized by a sophisticated printing machine and transported via automatic conveyor belts. Silo system loads the sugar into bags. While some of these bags are used in-house, the extra ones are sold, thereby bringing in extra income. There are 4 godowns in all to store the sugar. In all, DSPL makes 3 grades of sugar: S130, S230 and M30. A sugar clarification system is used to standardize the quality. In keeping with its commitment to the environment, the water contaminated by oil and grease is renewed and recycled. Similarly, the water removed from the sugarcane is processed through the ultra-modern condensed polishing plant and once again used for sugar manufacture and the distillery project. Sewage from colony is treated in modern STP plant and that water is used for watering plants. Massive RCC tanks with a capacity of 4 crore litres help the factory store water. Automatic firefighting machinery as well as an organized firefighting cell are on call at all times. A major aspect of the factory's commitment goes towards ensuring a happy, gainful and supportive work environment for its team. The factory workers are provided with uniforms and safety equipment. They also enjoy the perks of Mediclaim policy, group gratuity scheme and regular medical checkups. A well-equipped state-of-the-art administrative building holds pride of place on campus. The cutting-edge ERP system focuses on paperless work. Details of both sugarcane sowing and harvesting are available online. The sugarcane is weighed on an electronic weighing scale via ERP. From sugarcane farmers to contractors employed in cutting the sugarcane, each member is kept in the loop via SMS. So, be it the weight of the sugarcane or their latest bills, they are updated via SMS. The residential quarters of the team are a joy to behold. Complete and convenient, they boast every modern-day facility and amenity, from a beautiful garden full of flowering trees to a spacious park for children as well as a gym for adults. The factory campus also has marriage and community halls for farmers, a Krishi Seva Kendra, soil and water testing laboratory, and diesel petrol pump. The shopping complex has a branch of the Pune District Cooperative Bank, an ATM, and a 24/7 dispensary, among other things.
Daund Sugar Private Limited, we believe that business success goes hand in hand with social responsibility as well as sustainable environmental practices. Nothing is wasted, everything is renewed and recycled. At the same time, we ensure a happy and inclusive environmental at all times.
Daund Sugar Factory is one of the modern types of sugar factories in India. Sugarcane farmers in this area are largely being benefited because of this enterprise, and the economy of the surrounding area has got a major boost. Factory also organizes various seminars and camps to educate the farmers, thus increasing the yield and improving the soil conditions of this area. For last 10 years, we are doing this for the farmers and they are being benefited a lot.
There is a saying I believe in. The strength of the team is each individual member. Same way, the strength of each individual is the team. Every finger in your hand is different, but each one is important and necessary to form a fist. At Daund Sugar, we recognize the strength of each team member and utilize it accordingly. Innovation and integration go a long way in creating an environment-friendly, professionally managed company. We deliver best quality sugar and a range of value-added products.
Naturally, the awards and honors have been many. This includes the Best Technical Efficiency Award, Best Overall Performance Private Sugar Mill Award, Most Innovative Sugar Factory, Best Cane Development Work Award, Best Distillery Award. The factory has been awarded with ISO certification. Our values are the cornerstone of our vision and mission. We put the farmer at the center of all we do and cherish our customers. At the same time, we relentlessly leverage and upgrade technology to add value to each of our products, bringing global work practices to the local level. We approach each day with a view to bettering our own best. Daund Sugar Private Limited. From strength to strength.